You know what, since we've got this going at such a good low temperature, I'm gonna multitask today and I'm gonna go ahead and make some more smoked salt. We're running pretty low on it. What you wanna do is just buy a very coarse ground sea salt. That'll be plenty good for this. And what we wanna do is just sprinkle a layer right out onto a very dry tray. You definitely want it on a tray because you're gonna wanna shake this around a little bit as it starts to get smoke on the top. All we wanna do is sprinkle this out into a nice single layer here. I'm actually going to go just a little bit thicker in there. Just want to tap it a little bit, get it nice and level, and we'll put this right in here and smoke it as well. About every 15 minutes or so you want to shake that up or mix it up with a fork. That'll be great smoked salt after a couple of hours. And you just want to smoke it until it's that nice sort of light brownish, toasty marshmallow color. And look at that, what we have with our smoked salt. You can see that sort of brownish gray color. Well, that's exactly what we want. That is good stuff. So we're just gonna leave this in here to cool. So anytime you're smoking something else, I would encourage you to try the smoked salt. It really is a great item to keep next to your stove or next to your barbecue. It's a great finishing salt. So you just wanna take this out, let it cool off. And the nice thing is you can do this while you're smoking other things. Now honestly, the salt, you can smoke it for quite a long time. I typically like to smoke it if I'm doing a brisket or ribs or something that's gonna be 6+ hours. We did it today while we were actually doing the smoked cream cheese. That was 2 hours. That wasn't quite enough time, so we ended up leaving it in for another 4 hours after that. Great flavor, and it's amazing how you get that smokiness to the salt. It really is good.